Welcome once again to HSE TV. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Click the thumb up and share this video. How to use fire extinguisher the right way. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use a fire extinguisher in the right way. When you discover a fire, do not panic. First check to ensure if you are capable of putting off the fire. Otherwise, leave the area and call for help. If the fire is what you can put off, please ensure that you are with the right fire extinguisher needed to fight off the fire. Class A are fire from combustible solids such as fabrics, paper. Class B are fire from combustible liquids such as petroleum, grease. Class C are fire from faulty electrical appliances. Class D are fire from combustible metal. Class K are fire from cooking oils or fats. When using the fire extinguisher, please ensure you stand at least a distance of 6 to 8 feet away from the fire and that you are not in a direction opposite to the direction of the flow of the wind. To use the fire extinguisher correctly, ensure to pass. P. Pull the pin to remove the temper seal. A. Aim the nozzle at the base of fire. X. Squeeze the handle to release its extinguishing agents. X. Sweep left and right or back and forth until the fire is extinguished. Wait a little while and observe. If the fire reignites, repeat the past process. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, thumb up and share this video.